Hi, now I'm going to be reacting to Lazenca Save Us. It was original soundtrack of a Korean animation series, Soulframe Lazenca. The animation series itself wasn't that successful, only the original soundtrack got a hit as an authentic rock opera. Ha Hyun-woo's cover in The King of the Masked Singers made it more famous. So, the purpose of listening to this is so I'm going to react to the Forestella version, and I was told by Mana that I should hear the original first. So, and then there's also this Masked Singer version, which might be an option, but I think copyright would be strict on that. But I think I reacted to a Masked Singer before once, and I think it still is up. Possibly. The genie, I remember it was a genie from Aladdin. So, here we go. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what kind of music this is. Oops. Here we go. Only
Lazenca Save Us. Lazenca Save Us. Lazenca Save Us. Lazenca.
Strangely mixed, those drums are much louder than the rest. Kinda hurts my ears. Looks like a mix of Power Rangers and Transformers. Those are probably, I don't know, is this a Korean show? Because I have no idea about Korean animation history. That mix is hurting my ears. Must be a terrible upload, because I doubt it sounded like this on the TV. Oof. Sounds like distorted. I'm actually very interested to hear Forestella's version of this. I think it will be a big improvement. I think it will be. I like the look of this whole thing. It looks very creative. Probably something I'd like to watch. maybe they're all Lazenca. Maybe it's the name of a group. This kind of looks like a dog. Like that looks like the nose of a dog and the face of a dog. Yeah. Or maybe a cat. Dog, cat, some kind of animal. What is that meant to be anyway? But yeah, that sounded like a epic soundtrack. But it just wasn't very nice to listen to on YouTube in this video. Quality of it wasn't very high. The sound quality of this. So I don't know if it's down to my earbuds, but the last video was fine I watched. This must be from the 90s or 80s, so probably 90s, maybe. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, I can't read anything. Yeah, it looks like a lot of fun. Some interesting looking characters. Apparently it wasn't very successful, so I wonder who its competitors were at the time to beat all of this creativity right here. It looks good. I mean, I don't really know what the setting is. It all seems kind of like just bare background. What's the background exactly? It doesn't seem to be set. I don't see any civilization, buildings, cities anywhere. Oh, here's one. Not very detailed though, is it? But yeah, reminded me of Transformers. I bet everyone says that. But yeah. How can I not say that? Look at this. Transformers with lightsabers. I bet this would get in my head after listening a couple times. Especially Lazenca Save Us. Yeah, that was a different video. Apparently the show didn't do good, but the song, the soundtrack did well. So you'd think that would bring in more viewers to the show, though, if the soundtrack did good. I would like to be in a show and make a soundtrack to a show, even though I can't probably do either any good. So maybe one day I'll learn how to do these things. Thanks for the request. I bet they have these episodes on YouTube somewhere, unless the copyright police took it down. That would be interesting to watch. But I dare not react to any Korean shows. That would be dangerous. Anyway, bye.